It is critical to have your tires inflated to the proper pressure because it improves vehicle steering, handling, and grip. As a result, it is safer, can save you money on fuel, and extends the life of your tires. According to a research conducted by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, in the United States, under-inflation of tires by 10% increases fuel consumption by 2%. Most petrol stations include a free tire inflator connected to an air compressor and capable of displaying pressure in SI and kPa. These are electronic and rather simple to use, and the front label should have step-by-step instructions and warnings. To achieve an accurate cold tire inflation pressure reading, check the tires only while they are cold. Before replenishing the tire pressure, carefully read the instructions issued by the service station. Check the tire placard. Typically, the recommended tire pressure for your automobile can be found in the owner's manual or on a chart affixed inside the driver's door pillar. The pressure often differs for the front and the rear tires. Choose the proper unit of measurement at the display unit, either SI, pounds per square inch, or kPa, kilopascal. Set the recommended tire pressures according to your vehicle's specifications. It's crucial to adhere to these pressures because they are designed to keep you safe and comfortable while driving. Unscrew the cap on the air valve of your tire. Connect a tire gauge or service station inflator to get the correct reading. If you determine that a tire needs air, fill it to its recommended pressure level. The tire inflator will beep once the air has been adjusted to the proper level. Unplug the tire gauge from the tire valve. Screw the cap back onto the tire air valve. Check the remaining tires in the same fashion. Return the hose to the hose hanger. It is recommended that you check your tire pressure regularly. Toyota recommends that tire inflation pressure be checked once every 2 weeks and before long road trips where the additional load may require increased tire pressures.